people nearby on Telegram. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, learn to activate the nearby people feature. You can see who's closest to you. Just enable location in the Telegram app. I'll show you step by step in this video. Like these kinds of videos, we have more related videos on this channel. Subscribe and hit that like button. I'm always making videos to help you out. Alright, let's get started. I'm already logged into the Telegram app. Click on these 3 lines up here. Choose the people nearby option. Quickly add nearby people viewing this session. Just tap Allow Access down here, folks. I'll enable it while using the app. You'll see nearby people and groups here. Just choose one of these options. To be visible, click Become Visible. Nearby people can see your profile and message you. It helps find friends but may attract attention. Remember, your phone number stays hidden. Got it? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe for more tutorial videos. That's all for now. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.